Hi students, and welcome to week 8 in your online lifespan growth and development class. This week we are covering chapter 8, which is over the socio-emotional development of middle and late childhood. So last week we were in middle and late childhood looking at more of the body and mind, and this week some more of the socio-emotional of that same stage. So let's take a look at this week's module. You'll have one Connect assignment over the relationship with parents at age 11. We are going to start examining more closely that offspring-parent relationship and how it changes up through really even early adulthood and middle adulthood, how it affects that relationship. So you'll have that Connect assignment in your Chapter 8 quiz. There's not a writing assignment this week, getting you ready, getting you eased into your spring break, which of course is next week. But there is one other thing. You do have your midterm that is also due by Sunday, March 10th, right before spring break. So the midterm will cover chapters, don't pay attention to this. This shouldn't be coming up on your, and I took out the essay. So you should just be seeing this right here. But the midterm will cover chapters 1 through 8. So our first 8 chapters. So make sure you do this module beforehand. So the best way to prep for your midterm exam is to review the quizzes that you've already taken for these chapters. So you've had a quiz for every chapter that will be covered over the midterm exam. It's not new content on the midterm. So going back and reviewing those quizzes is a great way to prep for the midterm exam. So basically, it's very, very similar to what you do every week with the quizzes, except for that it being on one chapter like it normally is. It's going to be on chapters 1 through 8, so longer. You kind of get the idea there. It will open up for you whenever you're ready to take it. So again, don't feel like you have to wait until Sunday, March 10th to take it. You can take it earlier in the week. And to review your quizzes, the easiest way to do that to prepare for the midterm exam is to go actually over here to your McGraw-Hill Connect. And when your course comes up, go to my section. Mine's going to look different for you, but you're going to come up and you're going to see the different chapters. And so if you go and then you click on, those chapter post tests, which are your quizzes, then you should be able to view it there. I'm not going to do that because it's going to pull everybody's grade up, but you'll just obviously have access to yours there. So let me know if you have any questions about that. Good luck on the midterm and congratulations. Once you've taken that midterm, you are halfway through the semester. So keep up the great work and have a really nice spring break. And I'll be back. What is the date as we start back? March 18th, Monday, March 18th. So that week of spring break is probably much needed for all of us. Take care, everybody.